You've seen the title, glanced at the thumbnail, and probably thought, this guy must be lying, right? $11,000 in just 1 month. Without a 9-to-5 job, without a factory, without starting a big company? Believe me, that was exactly the reaction from my own friends when I told them I made $11,000 in 30 days. But when I broke it down for them step by step, their only response was, I can do this too. And honestly, you can do it as well. If you invest a little time, some effort, and a bit of patience, you can earn your first $11,000 online. I'm no billionaire. I don't have an MBA or a Silicon Valley job. I come from a middle-class background where we used to turn off electricity to save money. But there was one thing I did every day. I kept learning new things on YouTube. Every night, I thought if I don't try something different, my life will stay stuck in that 9-to-5 loop forever. That's why I started my side hustle. No heavy investments, just a laptop and Wi-Fi. Today, I'm going to show you the full breakdown, how I earned $11,000 in just 1 month. I'll also show you exactly how you can start, step by step. Part 1. The Turning Point. In July 2023, my job had become boring. Every morning, the alarm felt like I was trapped in a never-ending loop, waiting for the 25th every month just for the salary. One day, I decided, enough is enough. I will create my own income stream. First, I thought, what skills do I have to make money? I knew a little bit of designing, could do basic video editing, and I was decent at writing. So I created profiles on Fiverr and Upwork. The start was slow, no orders for 2 weeks, but I didn't give up. Every day I updated my gigs, changed thumbnails, and kept sending proposals again and again. Part 2. Freelancing, $4,500. My first client came through Fiverr, a YouTuber who needed thumbnails. He paid me $15 for 1 thumbnail. I put my heart into it and even gave him 2 thumbnails for free. He liked my work so much, he hired me monthly. Then I got another client on Upwork for a short-form video editing project worth $300. Slowly, more clients started coming. By the end of the month, I had earned $4,500 just from freelance designing and video editing. Part 3. Affiliate Marketing. $2,500 I used tools like Canva, Notion, and Skillshare daily. Then I realized they all had affiliate programs, meaning if I recommended them and someone signed up, I would earn a commission. So I started making tutorials on Instagram and YouTube, how I make thumbnails using Canva, my daily workflow in Notion. I added affiliate links in the video descriptions. People interested clicked and signed up. In just 1 month, I got more than 90 signups. Each sign-up earned me around $25. Total affiliate earnings, $2,500+. Part 4. Digital Products, $2,000. Once you create valuable content, you can sell it repeatedly. I made an ebook, Zero to Hero Freelancing Guide. Created on Canva, just 30 pages long. Uploaded it on Gumroad and Payhip, priced at $9.99. Then I shared my story on Instagram and YouTube, how I found my first client, what emails I wrote. People started connecting. In the first week, 50+ downloads happened. I added a bonus, a free proposal template. Sales started increasing. Total earnings from the ebook, $2,000+. Part 5. YouTube channel, $1,500. Now the most passive income source, YouTube. My channel is still small, only 20,000 subscribers. But I chose a niche, side hustle, freelancing, and money-making ideas. Evergreen content, people always search for this. My videos get an RPM of $6 to $7. This month I got over 250,000 views. YouTube paid me $1,500 in ad revenue. Besides that, I got a sponsorship. A finance app paid me $300 for a 60-second brand mention. Total, $11,500. Part 6. Lessons I learned. The most important lesson: focus on value, money will come automatically. Initially, I thought everything had to be perfect, but when I started sharing my story honestly, people connected. I realized not everyone online looks for an expert. They look for someone who speaks their language and solves their problem. If you are honest, real, and consistent, nothing can stop you. Another lesson: don't depend on just one income source. Freelancing is great, but what if no clients come? That's why affiliate marketing, digital products, and YouTube all create a safety net. So that's my real no-fluff story about how I made $11,000 in just 1 month. I want you to remember, there are no shortcuts or magic tricks here. This is the result of consistent effort, learning new skills, and using the tools and platforms that the internet offers us today. If I, coming from a regular middle-class background with zero special connections, can do this, then honestly, so can you. The key is to start, even if it's small. Every big success begins with a single step. I know it might feel overwhelming when you see these numbers, but break it down. $11,000 didn't come from one place or one day. It came from multiple streams, each built brick by brick. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, digital products, and YouTube all worked together to create this income. That's why diversifying your income streams is so important. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, because if that basket breaks, you'll have nothing. Build several baskets, even if they're small at first, and watch your financial security grow. Also, don't get stuck waiting for the perfect moment or perfect skills. Start where you are, with what you have. Learn as you go, improve with every project, and keep sharing your journey. People don't just want perfect content. They want real stories, real struggles, and real wins. Your authenticity will be your biggest strength. If you want me to deep dive into any of these income streams, whether it's freelancing strategies, how to maximize affiliate marketing, creating digital products, or growing a YouTube channel, let me know in the comments by typing "breakdown." I'm here to help you create a step-by-step plan that fits your life and goals. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with a single decision: to try. Take that step today and keep pushing forward. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see what you achieve. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.